The following is for educational purposes only. Cell phone monitoring can only be done legally by a parent to monitor their child's phone.
Hey guys, welcome back to Total Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 3 proven methods to monitor another phone without installing software to that device. Right from the comfort of your own laptop, PC, or smartphone, you will be able to see all incoming and outgoing text on another cell phone. And the best part about this is you do not need to install software in order to do this. As always, if you have any questions or need any help, please leave me a message in the comments below. The first and the easiest method to monitor another device is through the use of USSD codes. Every code in the world has a series of codes that you can enter into the device which will allow you to do things like redirect calls or forward voicemails from one phone to another. To activate these codes, all you need to do is open the phone's dialer and type a sequence. Something like star, hash, a number, and then hash. Let's say that you have 2 phones and you want to be able to listen to the voicemails on the second phone using the first. All you need to do is open the dial pad and type star, star, 21 star, followed by the phone number and another hash. This will redirect all voicemails from one phone to another. One really cool trick that I like to do is redirecting the calls to Google Voice instead of a regular cell phone. That way, you will be able to access the voicemails from any device you want. To remove this code, type hash hash 002 hash. USSD codes are a great way to keep track of another device, but what if you want to make this even simpler? What if you want to monitor another phone without having to touch the device at all? The tool you will use is Verizon Message Plus. Verizon Message Plus is an excellent tool to monitor the text messages on another cell phone. Unlike using traditional tools, you do not need to download software to the target device. All you need to do is send it a code via text, and once you get the code off the target device, it will then be linked to your Verizon Message Plus account. From there, you'll be able to monitor everything on that phone, including the deleted text. Let me give you guys an example. Recently, I had a client named Megan who needed help monitoring her teenage daughter's phone. Megan explained to me that while she could get a hold of her daughter's phone whenever she was at home, she had reason to believe that her daughter was deleting a lot of information off of her device that she didn't want her mother to see. And she asked for my help in finding out what that information was. Megan and I came up with a plan where she would tell her own daughter that she had just won a free shopping spree from Apple. And in order to get the prize, an Apple representative would be contacting her and sending her a code just to confirm she is who she says she is. And once the code was confirmed, she would then get the gift card in the mail. I then used an online spoofing service, and after briefly speaking with Megan's daughter, I linked her phone with her mother's account. The process was really easy, and the best part about it was I never had to touch the phone. The final method I will be talking about is through TennoShare's For You key. TennoShare's For You key is a password recovery tool which works by connecting to a device and then looking through all of its metadata in order to recover the past data used on that device. This is a great way to recover a forgotten password or recover past messages on a cell phone. The last story I'll tell you about is a client I will call Chelsea. Chelsea explained to me that recently her daughter had been getting into some things online that her mother didn't think was appropriate. And she asked for my help in monitoring her daughter's activities in order to keep her safe. For reasons I won't get into here, Chelsea did not want me to contact her daughter at all. However, as I'll soon explain, this was not a problem at all. I asked Chelsea if she knew what type of phone her daughter was using, and she told me it was an iPhone 14. I explained to Chelsea that because Apple backs up all data, I would not need to touch her daughter's phone at all in order to help her monitor it. Instead, all I would need to do is use TennoShare's For You key to recover her daughter's Apple ID. I would then use her Apple ID and link it with her mother's online Spy account. From there, Chelsea would be able to monitor everything her daughter was doing on her online Spy dashboard. Chelsea had been living with her daughter for a while, and while she did not want me to contact her daughter directly, she did have access to several devices her daughter had used in the past. With Chelsea's help, I extracted her daughter's Apple ID from her PC and then used it to link it with her mother's online keylogger dashboard. From there, Chelsea could immediately see everything her daughter was doing on her device. And again, I never had to touch the phone in order to do this. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I tried to switch things up a bit and make this a bit longer than I usually do. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a message in the comments below and I will get back to you. Thanks for stopping by again, and I will see you next time. Bye.